Grandpas are snoring very loudly. Blake and Billy are wake up grandpas. Blake and Billy spin grandpa's chairs. They style grandpa's hair. They dance grandpa's music. They sneeze grandpa's nose. They do everything, but grandpa's keeps snoring. Keeps on snoring. They were very tired, and they were asleep on the grandpa's floor. Grandpa was awake, and he said, Who is snoring very loudly?